Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video with me, Paris. On today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my fridge. So I feel like I've always been like a really organized person, and I always love like organizing and putting things, you know, like buying bins and boxes to like kind of put everything together. But I feel like lately I've been more like detailed with things. So like lately I've been more detailed, you know, with my pantry or with my wardrobe or with my fridge. So I think it was only like 2-3 months ago that I decided to literally go through my fridge, organize it, buy the proper bins, and yeah, today I'm just gonna show you through it. In all honesty, this fridge is actually a really big one from where I'm coming from. So like in Europe, like this fridge is considered a big fridge. But when you come to America, like people actually call this one a small fridge. So I don't really know why. I feel like the fridges here are just massive. So yeah, like this is, I would call it maybe a medium-sized fridge then. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you what's inside. So this is a preview. I'll just guide you through every section individually, but just to let you a little bit into it. So up here I've got my milks. Then down here I've got my soft drinks. Then here I've got all like more like drinks. Then down here I've got like dairy. Down there I've got like my vegetables, and then down there I've got my my fruits, and then down below there I've just got like general stuff that don't really go into one specific section, like mostly food or leftovers or like bread. And then up here I've got my eggs, more drinks, sweets, and then coffee and juice, and down there I've got my sauces. So I'll just guide you through now each one section and show you how I've like organised it and everything. Okay, so going through each section individually. So as I told you earlier, up here I've got my my milk. So I like to have cow's milk just for my tea. Like I feel like it tastes better. So I've got my low-fat milk. This one is from Target, so that's their own brand, and I love that it's organic, and I think it's like half the price of the Horizon, or like $2 down from the Horizon. Then I've got my oat milk from Califia, and I love that oat milk. It's so nice. It's just, it tastes good. It's able to froth and everything. Then I've got my chocolate milk from Horizon. This one's really nice to just pick one up and just, you know, be able to take it with you or whatever. Down here I've got my LaCroix. I've got the limoncello one, my Diet Coke, and just the regular sparkling water LaCroix. Then down here I've got my vitamin water, I've got my cheese, butter, like dairy stuff, and then here in this bin I just have my my yogurts, my Chobani yogurts, and then down here I've got my you go. Down here I've got my veggies, I've got my tomatoes, my avocados. Usually I'll have like cucumbers and stuff. Then I've got my salads back there, and then here I've just got some lemon wedges, like cut vegetables, so this is like avocado, and then some carrots as well. And then this one I just keep all my fruits. And then here I'll just keep like fruits, like the cut ones. So like if I got like mango or something else, I'll just put it like in a little like plastic bag, and then just keep them all here. And then down here I just have like my bread, This is just a sausage, like some hash browns, and then some food, some leftovers in a Tupperware. And going to the door side, I've got my eggs up here. I know you're not really supposed to keep your eggs up here, to be honest with you, because I feel like people are saying you have to have them in there. But I always had them up here, so I just feel like, why not? I don't know. I always keep them to this little thingy, and then I have their own little bin. Then up here I've got my cranberry juice, my diet cranberry juice. Oh, there you go. I really like a diet cranberry juice. I've got my coconut water. And then here I've got my chocolate. So usually I'll just have a lot of chocolate, but at the minute I'm trying to be good and not eat a lot of chocolate. And then here I'll just have my peanut butter. Maybe I'll just have my what's it called, my jam or something. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So this one's 1, 2, 3 are from Home Goods. So I got these 3 ones from Home Goods. Then this one is from the Container Store, and this one and that one. These ones are from Lock and Lock, and then this one's, where did I get this ones from? I think they're either from TJ Maxx. Yeah, these ones are from TJ Maxx, and then this one's from Lock and Lock as well. And then down here I've got my juice, my orange juice, and then I've got like coffee stuff, so coffee syrup, my coffee mate, which I'm trying to avoid at the minute because I'm dieting, and like my sauces, so my HP, my Nando's, my mustard, and then my salad sauce. So yeah, there you have it, guys. So this was my fridge. Actually, this was the second time I tried organising it. So in the beginning, like, I was a bit more strict with what I was doing with my fridge, so it was a bit more limited, but I found it really, really hard to actually get through things, and it was really difficult to actually not control it, but keep it organised. So I had to actually like refigure it and have a look of how, you know, like you have to keep things in a way that you can actually use them. You can't just put things just for them to look pretty. And in all honesty, that looks even better than it looked before, and it's way easier for me to like grab things, especially like soft drink or juice or something. It's way easier, more practical. And yeah, I'm not showing you my freezer because I don't really have anything in it. I think I've got like some frozen fruit for my smoothies, and that's it. But yeah, anyhow, if you guys like this video, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.